YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle and I'm back with another video. Now this might be the earliest I've ever done a budget with me setup, but I need to run the numbers for June 2021 and I thought I'd take you guys along with me for the rough draft. This is the lay it out on a piece of paper, use a calculator, and make sure our numbers match up. So if that's something you'd be interested in, then stick around. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and let's dive into today's video. I have my pen, I have my new notebook, my Peace, Love, and Budgets notebook, and I'm excited to dive into these numbers to really see how we're looking for June, because y'all, the bills are starting to roll in. So this is for June 2021. I cannot believe that it is time for June. So basically in my head, I just want to know the bills and the budgeted amount. And we're going to list them all. We're just going to list them down the line. That line might not even be long enough. We don't know yet, but okay. So first up is phone bill is going to be about $186.03. And then we have Netflix, good old Netflix. That's going to be $14.83. Then we have my daughter's homeschool program, and that's going to be $19.95. Then we have Dollar Shave, because we've restarted that, and it's going to come to $10.45. Apple One, and Apple One is $29.99. Crunchyroll is $6.99. Apple Care, we have a lot of Apple Cares, so let's add that up. Okay, Apple Care is $2.99 plus $10.46. So that's $13.45. And then we have YouTube Premium for $24.37. Then we have Epidemic. Epidemic is $15 every month. And then we have Dubsado. Dubsado is $35. Buzzsprout is $18. And then we have Pest Control. Pest Control is $44.50. So that's all of our bills except for the new bill, which we're gonna come all the way. Should we put it at the top or the bottom? What y'all think? Let's put it at the bottom. We know that we are going to take delivery of our Tesla. It is in production and scheduled to be delivered sometime in the month of either the end of this month or the early part of next month. Hopefully, we shall see. And we are just going to put $900 to the side for our car payment. And so, you know, if we have a car, that means we have to have car insurance, right? It's crazy. It's crazy. And so car insurance, we're just going to put $200. I'm not sure. I do have a quote, but I'm not sure as to what that will look like. And then the other thing I want to do, let me just elongate this a little bit, is car registration. I know that some of that will be covered at pickup in the total cost, but I just want to cover and have a buffer just in case for registration, for fees, just anything. And so I'm going to put another $300 to the side for that. So let's count all that up and see what we get. Okay, so I totaled all of our fixed expenses and our true expenses, which is stuff we care about having, and it totals, let's put a total here, $1,818.56. And so now let's talk about our budgeted income. So let's see, income for the month of June, we are projecting an income total of $10,572. And so no change, no pennies. Let's minus that out. So minus 10,572.0 is, so if we take our income minus our bills, that's going to leave us with $8,753.44. So now we want to dive into what we're going to do with that extra money. And so now let's talk about debt. And of course the car is debt, but we're this far. Our mortgage is $640. So budgeted amount. And so what was our total? 8,753.44. Okay, so if we minus the 640, we are down to $8,113.44. And then I like to do a snowball payment. So a mortgage debt snowball, and that's another $640. And so minus another 640 is $7,473.44. Okay, so I have a home maintenance fund for our primary home, and that's $600. So minus 600, that brings it down to $6873.44. And then my husband and I, we get personal money totaling $400. So minus 400. Actually, I'm sorry, that's minus 800 because we do that twice. Minus 400 again. So we'll make that an 8. We still have 6,000 left. And then groceries, we usually do 300 on the first check and 200 on the second check, so that's a total of 500. So minus 500, we are down to 55.73. Sinking funds. So electronic sinking funds will get $240. Then we will donate $200. We have self-care, which technically is a sinking fund, but it's cash, and that's $110. Oh, where did I leave off? Okay, hold on. Minus 500, minus 240, minus 200, minus 110. Okay, so we're down to 5,000 now. We're doing pretty good. Then let's take off some for our emergency fund, which is $200 total every month. That's $48.23 left. And then let's talk about cash envelopes. I actually keep this very low until our actual payday. I only budget $200 per month for cash envelopes. And then we'll see if Eva gets her chore money. She'll stay in trouble, y'all. But she is slated to get $100. So that's minus 100. We are going to add to travel, and it's going to get $50. Amazon is going to get another $50. I have a family sinking fund, and that is going to get $25. Then gifts is going to get $25. I usually do this every paycheck, but for this month I'm really cutting back because I want to see what our expenses will be. And then the last category I care about is investments, and these are the investments that Eva does with her Stockpile app, and that's $20. Okay, had to get a light. It was getting dark, y'all. Okay, so we minus out the debt payments to the mortgage and everything else that I cared about budgeting for. And now that just leaves us with $4,353.44, which is a lot of money to work with. I'm super grateful for that. So I do have some planned purchases that I need to make for travel and just a bunch of other stuff. And so we are going to put $2,000 of that towards that. So minus $2,000. And I do have an eating out category. I normally don't budget for eating out until we actually get paid, because eating out is not a necessity. And we're really trying to rein in our eating habits and be a little bit more healthy. But I might go ahead and put $100 towards this, just because I know we'll probably want to go out and have a celebration dinner, because we bought our, that's right, a Tesla is our dream car. So $100. And so that brings it down to $22.53 and 44 cents. We're going to put the rest of that into our Hawaii move fund, because we are transitioning to, we're transitioning y'all to move in here permanently. And so in order to do that, we need to make sure we have money for down payments. Most places here require a security deposit plus first and last month's rent, and we will be responsible for utilities. And then we got to grab that renter's insurance, all that type stuff for the new place. So we're going to go ahead and add all of that up. So 2253.44 minus 2100. So we spent a total of $4,453.44. And that leaves us with a balance of $0. So this is really just how I do it. I use the spending tracker app to help me out and keep me organized. Oops. Show it to y'all and keep us organized so that we know what to do with our money. And it took 3 pages, but I got it done. And so the biggest new addition is that in the month of June, we can expect to have a car payment. And even though we take delivery of the car in June, I'm not sure if that means our car payments will start in July. We'll find all that out once things get a little closer. But we'll be ready. We'll be ready in the meanwhile. And I forgot to add, okay, so let me just talk about this right now. Thank you guys for joining my silent giveaway, subscriber giveaway. We hit 4,500 subscribers, and I'm going to throw the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card across the screen. So shout out to that winner. Thank you so much for sitting through my video that I had a lot of trouble with when it got, my camera is giving me all the autofocus issues. So shout out to them because they are super supportive of my channel. So I was glad to see them be the winner. So that's it. Let me know how you guys are doing for the month of May. Let me know what you're looking forward to for the summer. I know kids will be out of school, so they're happy about that. Well, that's all for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.